Okay, so far we learned about how we're actually going to make money online. You learned about the concept of affiliate marketing. Then we learned about ClickFunnels and why they're a good product to promote and their awesome affiliate program. Now I want you to get kind of a clear picture of what the actual potential, financially speaking, is in promoting ClickFunnels and setting up an online business like in this course. So let's go to the whiteboard again. I'm going to this side now. Okay, let's do a quick math, okay? So this is you. You decided, okay, awesome, I'm going to promote ClickFunnels. You signed up for their affiliate program. I'm going to show you all of that, don't worry. And you decide to start sending traffic. And also there's lectures for that. I'm going to show you step by step how to drive paid traffic. And also if you don't have the money at first to pay for traffic and advertise, how to get free traffic to promote ClickFunnels, okay? So you decide, I'm going to drive traffic, either paid or free or both, doesn't matter. And you are going to get 1,000 people, okay, 1,000 people, visitors, to your ClickFunnels offer, okay? And by the way, I'm going to explain that too. In order to track who referred a visitor to that ClickFunnels homepage, you know, where people can sign up, every affiliate, so in that case also you, get a custom affiliate link, okay, which is the link that you see in the browser, you know, and it's a custom link. So ClickFunnels can track who referred which customer, okay? Anyway, you send 1,000 people to your unique link, which then sends them to the ClickFunnels offer, okay? Now, let's see. It depends on who that traffic is and what type of traffic. But anyway, let's say that 10% of these people, okay, they sign up for ClickFunnels. So you have 100 people who signed up for ClickFunnels through your affiliate link. And ClickFunnels has a cool feature, which is a 14-day free trial, okay? So people can try out the software risk-free for 2 weeks, okay? So that always amps up the conversions because people are just more likely to try it out because they have nothing to lose, okay? So you have 100 people that you referred, okay? Now let's say not everybody is going to stick with ClickFunnels. Some of them, you know, decide, okay, this software isn't for me after the 14-day trial. But the most, you know, most people just stick with ClickFunnels. But let's say for this example, it's 50-50, okay? So 50 people are going to go out and say, no thanks, which is absolutely fine. You know, you should never, you know, push and force people to do something they don't want to. But 50 people will stick with ClickFunnels because they enjoy using it and it really helps their business and, you know, they're making more money by using ClickFunnels. So 50 people are under you in ClickFunnels, okay? Which then goes for this equation 50 times 40 bucks, okay? Because we said ClickFunnels costs 97 bucks a month, okay? And you get 40% of that, which is 38 bucks 80, I guess. But for this example, we're going to use 40, okay? And if we calculate this, this is going to equal 2,000 bucks, okay? Which is per month, right? And that's recurring, okay? So this means by having 50 people refer to ClickFunnels, you instantly basically can make somewhere around $2,000 per month recurring, you know, as long as these guys stay customers. Plus, you know, if any of those 50 people decides, hey, I'm going to go with that extra training program that ClickFunnels offers, you get commissions on that too. Now, let's calculate what happens if each of these 50 people, right, decides, hey, ClickFunnels is awesome, I want to promote ClickFunnels too. So they also sign up for the affiliate program. They also send traffic to their unique affiliate links, and they also get people to sign up for ClickFunnels under them, right? So let's say each of those 50 people, right, each refers on average, you know, just for calculations, another 10 customers, okay? So you have 500 people in your second tier. Are you with me so far? So this is you promote, right? This is your first tier, right? In the first tier, you have 50 people. Then each of these 50 people, right, refers another 10, which is times 10, which equals to 500 people in your second tier, okay? Does that make sense? I hope it does. If it doesn't, please ask a question in the Q&A section or make yourself noticeable. I'm more than happy to explain this for you in more detail. So 50 people times 40 bucks, right? Because 40% commissions equals 2,000, we said, okay? Now, you earn 5%, as we said, on all of these 500 people who are paying customers, right? So that is, in that respect, $5, right? 5% of 97, 5% of 100 is $5, right? And hence, you are going to earn 500 times 5, so another $2,500 per month, okay? So, are you with me so far? So not only are you able to make money by directly promoting people to ClickFunnels and make them use the product, but also if those people decide to become affiliates for ClickFunnels and they refer people, you earn 5% of whoever they then referred, okay? And this can add up pretty quickly, and those numbers are pretty realistic, okay? So if you send 1,000 people, and if you pre-frame it right, and we're going to go into that too, you will most likely have a minimum of 100 people who sign up for the free trial, and probably more than 50 people out of those who stick with ClickFunnels. So this is just like a very realistic calculation of what you can do. But for this course, we are going to set a goal together for you to get you to 100 ClickFunnels customers, okay? So your goal is, and my goal is, together to get you to refer 100 ClickFunnels customers, which would equal $4,000 per month recurring in commissions, okay? And I mean, that is something that can be truly life-changing for everybody, right? And some of you might think, well, I've seen this structure before, it's network marketing, or it's an MLM, and it's a pyramid scheme. No, it is not. ClickFunnels, they do have a second tier, but the main difference between a pyramid scheme and an MLM and ClickFunnels is that ClickFunnels is an actual product. You know, you promote an actual product. You don't promote a program to promote people, okay? So, yeah, that's basically the financial potential, and you can amp this up and, you know, do your calculations however you like, because this is very, very powerful. If you get started and, you know, we are going to go through this journey together, we want to get you, I want to get you to 100 people who you refer to ClickFunnels, so you make around $4,000 a month. There's obviously no guarantees. I can't do that legally, but I tell you, if you follow this course step by step and go through each lecture and implement what I tell you to do, you will most likely see results within 14 days, okay? And if not, if there's something that doesn't work out for you, you're confused about, or anything I can help you with, please post that in the Q&A section, or join our exclusive Facebook group. I will tell you more about that in the upcoming lectures, how to do that. And, you know, there's a community of people helping each other out with this exact system. So I'm looking forward to, you know, tell you more about how we are going to get people to join ClickFunnels, okay? Because usually what most people do is they have their affiliate link and then they send people straight to that, okay? And what happens is the conversions, right? The amount of people who sign up in relation to the amount of people who visited the web page is pretty low and most likely not very profitable. So in the next lecture, we're going to talk about which system we're going to actually implement, and that's the exact system I talked about so often now that you can basically just copy and paste and run with it, which is a high converting system that basically funnels people into it and gives them a good reason to use ClickFunnels and amps up the conversions on it very much indeed. So thank you very much for your attention, and I see you in the next lecture.